Well, we had a Amazon seller reach out to me and want to send me their little stick welder. It only runs on 110, so it's a little small one. I think you're not going to believe how small this thing actually is. It's so small it's kind of funny. But let's get into it. Alright, well, I got it out of the box. As you can see, it only runs on 110. I'm going to let you decide what the name is, because I'm not even going to try it. But you see how small this thing is? I mean, it's tiny. I'll get the camera down in just a second and show you a little up close on it. Of course, it came with the electrode holder and a ground clamp. I got to get that out of the bag. And it came with the wire brush and hammer, a little cheapo. This is just for homeowner stuff. It's not anything special, I don't think, but for homeowners it might be all right. Came with a few, came with 5 of them, 60-13 welding rods. Okay, here it is a little up close. I mean, as you can see, you see how tiny this thing is. There's the connections for the ground and the electrode holder. Now, there it is right there. A lot smaller than the one on the Arc Captain, which is the regular size. These are smaller. Let's carry this over to the Arc Captain. Sorry about that. This is the TIG 200, and it's smaller than the MIG 200, so we're comparing it. I mean to tell you, this thing is tiny. Okay, let's go back over here. Sorry about that. Obviously, it's just a stick welder, so all you have is for the amps. Turn the power up and down on it. So let me get this thing set up and maybe strike an arc with it and see how it does. Okay, as you can see, it welds, just not really all that good. Right there is where I started trying to weld with the 60-13, and down here where it looks really ugly, I tried to get this 70-18 to weld, and it just wouldn't weld. I don't know if it was me, the rod, because the rod's been sitting out on the cart. And it's not really good for 70-18 rods, but right here is this. Oh, can you see that? Right here is right there is where the 70-18 rod. Right there was, and you see I welded off course, but that's when the welding machine was set low. This was set, I think that was set on 80. This was set on 90 or 95. So it welds, just not that good. Okay, well, there's my thoughts on the welding machine. Like I said, it does weld. You can't really expect too much out of a 110 machine. And after I did that first little tiny piece, it wouldn't strike an arc again. So that's why I figured I'd turn it up and try the 70-18, and that didn't work out too good. The 60-13 rods work, but not really all that good. But that could be me. You know, it is what it is, I guess. But I mean, for home use, you just got to weld something up real quick, something small. You don't have to have a long pass. It works. I mean, I think it was only like $85 maybe. I have to look on Amazon, and I'll leave a link, of course, down in the description to this welding machine. Also, it could be the outlet I got it plugged into. I got it plugged into a one of those ones you reset. What is it, GFCI outlet? I don't know, but I know whenever I was striking the arc, I could see the lights in the background, you know, behind me through my shield, dim and flicker every time I'd strike an arc. So that is what it is, I guess. But you know, like I said, this thing is so tiny and so portable. It runs on 110. You can take it anywhere. It'd be great for if you have to go out where you can't get the 220 cord to or whatever. It's not bad. It's not the greatest, but it's not bad. It welds. So there you go. And here's just to show you what the MiG 200 from Arc Captain does. It does an excellent job. That was just me playing around with it. I love that machine. Anyway, I just want to show you that. And yes, this is the same piece. I don't know if it's still too hot to pick up, that I just welded on with that machine. Anyway, just want to show you that. But anyway, that's all I got for this one. Hope you liked it. Like always, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.